So let's suppose we want to solve this first problem. 3x over 4 equals 8 over 9. Now we can treat this like a ratio. And with a ratio, since we have a fraction, like a proportion. And with a proportion, since we have a fraction equal to a fraction, we can cross multiply. So we can take the 3x and multiply it times the 9, which will give us 27x. And we can take the 4 and multiply it times the 8, which will give us 32. Now, to get x by itself, let's notice the 27 is being multiplied by x. So we do the opposite operation to get rid of it. To get rid of multiplication, we divide. And of course, what we do to one side, we have to do to the other. On the left, the 27's reduce, and we get x is 32 over 27. All right, now let's look at the next one. Even though we don't have a fraction equal to a fraction, we can make 2 into a fraction by putting it over 1, just like that. And we can treat this the same way we did the last problem. So let's cross multiply. 2x times 4 is 8x. And 1 times 1 is 1. Now, we still have to get x by itself, and there's an 8 being multiplied times the x. So once again, to get rid of multiplication, we divide by 8. On the left, the 8's cancel, and we get x is 1/8. All right, now this last one does not contain multiplication, but we have x plus 5. And in order to get rid of addition, we're going to do the opposite of addition. We're going to subtract. So to get x by itself, we're going to subtract 5 on both sides. And we'll get x on the left, and 12 minus 5 is 7 on the right. And x equals 7 is our solution.